Join me as we unlock the secrets of wood art. You won't believe what you can create with just a few tools. Here are some inspiring ideas for making creative wood art. 1. Wooden wall art. Geometric patterns. Use scrap wood to create eye-catching geometric designs. Paint or stain the pieces before assembling for a colorful finish. Nature scenes. Carve or paint landscapes, trees, or animals onto wooden boards to bring a touch of nature indoors. 2. Functional art. Artistic shelves. Create unique floating shelves from shaped wood pieces. Combine different wood types for a contrasting effect. Decorative hooks. Turn old wood into stylish wall hooks for coats, hats, or bags, adding both functionality and artistry. 3. Wooden sculptures. Abstract sculptures. Experiment with different shapes and sizes of wood to create abstract sculptures. Use a mix of finishes for added texture. Themed figures. Craft figures or characters from fairy tales or your favorite stories using wood pieces, carving them for added detail. 4. Mixed media projects. Wood and metal combinations. Incorporate metal elements such as wire or sheet metal into wood art for a modern twist. Incorporate glass. Use glass inserts in wooden frames to create stunning light effects and visual interest. 5. Upcycled wood art. Repurposed palettes. Transform old palettes into art by cutting them into shapes and painting them in vibrant colors. Furniture remnants. Use leftover pieces from furniture projects to create small art pieces or decorative items. 6. Engraved art. Personalized signs. Use a wood-burning tool to engrave names, quotes, or designs on wooden plaques for personalized gifts or home decor. Artistic etching. Experiment with different techniques to etch intricate designs into the wood surface. 7. Seasonal decor. Holiday ornaments. Craft wooden ornaments for different holidays. Paint or stain them to match seasonal themes. Table centerpieces. Create seasonal centerpieces using wood slices, adding natural elements like moss or flowers. 8. Interactive art. Puzzle art. Create a wooden puzzle that can be assembled and disassembled, making it both art and a fun activity. Kinetic sculptures. Design sculptures that move or change with the wind, adding a dynamic element to your art. 9. Textured art. Layered wood. Stack and glue layers of different woods to create depth and texture in your artwork. Mixed textures. Combine smooth, rough, and polished surfaces to create visually intriguing contrasts. 10. Incorporate color. Ombre effect. Use a gradient of colors on wooden pieces for a modern look. Stain designs. Experiment with wood stains to create patterns and designs that pop. These ideas can serve as a great starting point for your creative wood art projects. Let your imagination guide you as you explore different techniques and styles. When carving nature scenes into wood, having the right tools will enhance your precision and creativity. Here are some essential tools to consider. 1. Wood carving knives. Detail knife. Ideal for fine details and intricate designs. Hook knife. Great for hollowing out areas and shaping curved surfaces. 2. Chisels. Straight chisels. Useful for removing larger sections of wood and creating flat surfaces. V-chisel. Perfect for making detailed lines and textures in your carvings. 3. Gouges. Sweep gouges. Available in various sizes, these are excellent for creating curves and rounded shapes. U-gouges. Great for deeper cuts and shaping. 4. Power tools. Dremel tool. A rotary tool that allows for precise carving and detail work with various attachments. Router. Useful for larger projects. Routers can create smooth edges and decorative designs. 5. Sandpaper and sanding blocks. Various grits. Use different grits of sandpaper to smooth surfaces and refine your carvings. Sanding sponge. Helpful for getting into curved areas and tight spots. 6. Wood burner. Pyrography pen. Adds texture and detail through burning techniques, perfect for creating depth in nature scenes. 7. Safety gear. Cut-resistant gloves. Protect your hands while working with sharp tools. Dust mask. Reduces inhalation of wood dust when sanding or carving. 8. Work surface. Carving bench or vise. Provides stability and support while you carve, allowing for better control. 9. Patterns and reference images. Templates. Use printed patterns or sketches to guide your carving, especially for complex designs. Tips for success. Choose the right wood. Softer woods like basswood or butternut are easier to carve for beginners. Practice. Start with simple designs to build your confidence before tackling more complex scenes. Take your time. Rushing can lead to mistakes. Patience is key in achieving detailed work. With these tools and tips, you'll be well equipped to create beautiful nature scenes in wood. Here are some reputable brands known for their quality wood carving knives. 1. FlexCut. Known for their high-quality carving tools, FlexCut offers a wide range of knives and gouges that are perfect for both beginners and experienced carvers. 2. Woodenand. This Swedish brand is famous for its durable and sharp knives. Their carving knives are affordable and come in various styles, making them great for beginners. 3. Sloyd. Sloyd knives are designed specifically for wood carving. They are well balanced and made from high-quality steel, making them a favorite among woodworkers. 4. File Swiss-made, ***. File tools are known for their exceptional craftsmanship and durability. Their carving knives and chisels are highly regarded by professional woodworkers. 5. Beavercraft. This brand offers a range of affordable and high-quality wood carving tools, including knives that are great for detailed work. 6. Henry Taylor. A traditional brand that has been making carving tools for decades, Henry Taylor offers a range of high-quality knives and chisels for serious carvers. 7. Robert Sorby. Known for their premium tools, Robert Sorby offers a variety of carving knives that are well-balanced and made from high-quality materials. 8. Stubai. This Austrian brand produces high-quality carving tools that are favored by many woodworkers for their sharpness and durability. 9. Elder Tool Company. They offer a selection of handcrafted wood carving knives that are designed for both functionality and aesthetics. 10. Crown Tools. This brand is known for its variety of woodworking tools, including carving knives that are well-made and reliable. When choosing a brand, consider your specific needs, skill level, and budget. Investing in a quality carving knife can greatly enhance your woodworking experience. Here are some of the best brands for beginners looking to get into wood carving. 1. FlexCut. Offers affordable starter sets and individual knives that are designed for ease of use. Their tools are well-balanced and great for various carving techniques. 2. Woodenand. Known for their sharp and durable knives, Woodenand offers excellent value for money. Their carving knives are simple and effective, making them perfect for beginners. 3. Beavercraft. Provides a range of beginner-friendly tools at reasonable prices. Their carving kits often include a variety of knives and tools, making it easy to get started. 4. Sloyd. Their beginner knives are designed specifically for wood carving and are easy to handle. They offer good quality at an affordable price. 5. Crown Tools. Offers a selection of carving tools that are user-friendly. They provide good quality at a price point suitable for beginners. 6. Woodcraft. This brand offers various beginner carving tools and kits, including knives and chisels that are accessible to new carvers.